back to channel. I'm Neha and today we are vlogging. Like I'm gonna be recording my whole day, so come spend a day in life with me. I'm actually going out right now. Like मेरे को कुछ काम करना है and it's so hot बाहर. But अभी मैं घर के कपड़ों में हूँ. So first let's do skincare. So I'm gonna show you what I normally do अगर मेरे को बाहर जाना होता है तो and if I have time. So this is the routine that I follow. I'm starting with this toner. Honestly मेरे को toner use करना अच्छा लगता है पर ये toner ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. I really want to try a new toner Fake Beauty का but this ये ख़त्म नहीं होगा तब तक I'm not ordering anything. Then I'm gonna be using this serum today. As if I'm not very consistent with using these but I really like hyaluronic acid. So that's what we're doing today. This was a notification came my order confirmation. I'm very materialistic, I'm so sorry. The next step is of course a moisturizer. I bought this yesterday. So let's try this one. मैंने इसका blue वाला try किया हुआ है. That's really nice. But that blue one reminds me a lot of the Pond's light moisturizer. I used to love it, but it gives me blackheads. I feel like it. अब पता नहीं है. मेरे को लेने के बाद पता चला कि इट्स अ मैट मॉइस्चराइजर एंड आई डोंट रियली लाइक मैट थिंग्स. लाइक मेरे को ग्लोई अच्छा लगता है but I don't think so it's gonna be that matte. अब let's see. And if you can see, like, can you see? मेरे बाल पिंक हो गए हैं like अंदर से and I don't know वो कब निकलेगा. So yeah. नेक्स्ट इज ऑफ कोर्स सनस्क्रीन. ये मेरी तीसरी ट्यूब है. ठीक है. आई लव 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 डॉटिंग की सनस्क्रीन. इट्स जस्ट ओके. दिस स्टेप इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई यूजुअली डू बट जब से आई हैव गॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट it has become a must-have step in my routine. It's the Dalbas spray serum. It gives me such a nice glow, which I love, and I'm a sucker for a glowy skin. So yeah. And as I'm going out, I'm gonna be using this lip combo. This is the lip combo that I do like almost every day when I don't wear my makeup. So what I do is, see, I have really chapped lips. तो मैं कुछ भी लगाती हूँ ना, so my lips are like always getting chapped, ऐसे flaky हो जाते हैं. So the best thing to do is, I learned this trick myself, I guess. Instead of putting this thing, I feel like मैं कहीं देखा था, but I don't really know. So I feel like कि if I put it directly in the middle of my lips, मेरे lips फट जाते हैं. But if you line your lips and blend it inwards, I don't know how, but मेरे lips जल्दी नहीं फटते हैं. Perfect color. I love this tint from Etude House. And now मैं इसको top up कर देती हूँ. With this ELF lip oil. This is one of those few products जिससे मेरे lips जल्दी नहीं फटते हैं. It's very hydrating. I feel like कि बहुत सारे brands ऐसा बोलते हैं कि their products are very hydrating, but मेरे lips को वो suit नहीं करता है. Like in the end, I walk around having this flaky lips, which I don't really like. And बिना blush के तो मैं बाहर नहीं जा रही. Like every other girl on the internet, I too have blush blindness. And blush is one of my favorite makeup products. But I love water tints. जब makeup नहीं लगाओ तो क्योंकि ये पूरे दिन चल जाता है and I look nice and fresh. अब मैं अपना outfit change करूँगी and I'll go out and get the work done. अगर मैं कोई clips दी तो you're gonna see it इसके बाद. And okay, bye bye. I'm all ready and this is what I'm wearing. Very basic. This black top, I don't know. No, मैंने local store से लिया था. ये jeans मेरी H&M की है. Please ignore मेरे घर के कपड़े. And this bag is from H&M. The bad thing is कि मैंने अपना sunglass घुमा दिया है and I have very sensitive eyes. So मेरे को बहुत problem होगी आज drive करने में because I don't have my sunglasses. So let's just deal with it. Okay, bye. काम खत्म करने के बाद मैं चश्मा लेने गई थी बिकॉज अगेन आई लॉस्ट माई सनग्लासेस. सो दिस इज़ मी एट द चश्मा की दुकान. सो आई ट्राइड अ लॉट ऑफ सनग्लासेस टू सी कि मेरे पर कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड आई एम अ वेरी वेरी पिकी शॉपर. सो मेरे को बहुत सारा टाइम लगता है, तो मैंने पूरी दुकान खुलवा ली थी. पर इन दी एंड आई बॉट द वन जो मेरे को सबसे पहले दिखाया गया था. I just got home and I'm so tired. बाहर इतनी गर्मी है. Plus मैं स्कूटी दे रही थी. But I got my snacks, so let's do a छोटा सा snack haul. I'm in my room downstairs. So I got this new Lay's का flavor. I was really excited to try this because इसमें लिखा है Mexican salsa flavor. And I got me this. I don't know इसको बोलते क्या है. I think it's फाफड़ा but टूटा हुआ. So फाफड़ा but टूटा हुआ. I got me छाछ क्योंकि I'm gonna have lunch and I love buttermilk. Then I got this zero sugar Pepsi. Like I tried it the other day and I loved it, so I'm gonna have this today at Sunday. And I got me. This is basically more for my sister because she's trying to be healthier. So ये खाकरा है but garlic bread version. So of course I'm gonna taste first. And then I got me some chocolate muffins. This is it for the snack haul. अब मैं खाना खाने जा रही हूँ. After that I'll see you because I'm super tired and I really wanna rest. So yeah. लंच करने से पहले मैंने वो गार्लिक खाकर टेस्ट किया. इट्स सो गुड. मेरे को मन कर रहा है कि मैं बस बिछ जाऊँ. हाँ पापा. वेट नहीं बिछ सकती. सो लंच करने के बाद आई वॉज रेस्टिंग एंड मुझे लगा था कि मुझे वापस जाना पड़ेगा, बट मुझे जाना नहीं पड़ा क्योंकि अब मुझे कल जाना है. बट द थिंग इज, लाइट ऑफ मत करना, मैं 1 घंटा अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ चुगली कर रही थी. इट वॉज थेराप्यूटिक एंड नाउ वी आर गोना बी हैविंग सम, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, जीरो शुगर पेप्सी, मी एंड माई सिस्टर. प्लीज अपनी एंट्री मेरे ब्लॉग में दें. वो बोल रही हो अच्छी नहीं दिख रही है. बंदो वो बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है. ठीक है, ओके, सी यू. Right now I have to teach tuition because I'm also a tutor. So I'm taking tuitions. Like kids are on their way भी नहीं, like there's this kid जिसको मैं ट्यूटर कर रही हूँ आज, एंड वो बुक लेने गई है, तो तब तक आई एम वेटिंग फॉर हर. एंड ये प्लानर का काम मेरे को सुबह करना चाहिए था, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोना डू इट नाउ कि मेरे को क्या क्या चीज़ें कवर करनी है आज. सो वी विल डू दैट क्योंकि मैं पूरे दिन से कुछ नहीं किया. आई वॉज सो अनप्रोडक्टिव. आई वॉज जस्ट लेजी. मैं पड़ी हुई थी. आई फील लाइक द व्लॉग इज़ नॉट व्लॉगिंग क्योंकि मैं कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं की हूँ अच्छे से. आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. मैं धीरे धीरे इस चीज़ में अच्छी हो जाऊँगी. आई प्रॉमिस, लाइक pinky promise. And I'm gonna be teaching tuition to right now. उसके बाद फिर मैं जाऊँगी and I will probably film a reel. I will tell you what I will do. I might go out for shopping as well. So I don't know, but I want to make it a little productive because मैंने Instagram में कुछ post नहीं किया and I really want to be consistent. The thing is कि I don't want to post anything random. I want to put quality content out there too. So let's just wait till the tuition is over and till I do this. I'm so bad at planning also. I mean, इतना खाली है मेरे कारण जबकि I wanted a plan so badly. I'm right now. I'm just done with the tuitions and the thing is कि I'm very very excited क्योंकि I made a reel for my best friend. उसका कल birthday है. I'm so excited because the reel is so cute. If you wanna see that reel, you have to see it on my story. But तब तक उसके बाद ये vlog जाएगा. So I don't know, but उसका birthday है. उसका नाम सेरिना and she is the sweetest soul that I know and I'm so happy that it's her birthday. She's gonna be 21. Oh my god, I love her so much, but the saddest part is that I cannot be there. So Serena, if you're watching this vlog, which you better watch this vlog, ठीक है? So I'm very excited for your birthday and I cannot wait to see you, even though I cannot see you because you're in Delhi, but I'm just so excited because उसका कल birthday है and मैंने रील बना दी है and I'm really excited कब मैं उसका gift पूरा एक साथ कर दूँगी and I will send her gift because yes, I'll also vlog maybe the gift part. So let's see. और मैं बताना भूल गई थी, I might go out for some grocery shopping because my mom is telling me to go with her. So मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी, फिर वहाँ से आके हम रील बनाएंगे because I have to shoot something. I'll post it today or I'll post it tomorrow. But I have to shoot. I just cannot, delay it because I should be productive. make sure you're drinking enough water. I got this as a free gift from Nykaa and I'm very happy about it because मुझे खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ा, टेक्निकली करना पड़ा but it's free, so girl math. So इस बारे में चल रहा है, but the thing is कि I am going out for grocery shopping and that's confirmed. I'm back from grocery shopping, but the bad news is मेरा knee cramp हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा and I have things to do. I don't know अगर मैं उसको मैं अभी करूँगी कि नहीं, but I'm definitely gonna give you a Zudio haul because I went to Zudio yesterday. So yeah. मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं रेस्ट करूँगी बिकॉज मेरा नी क्रैम्प बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था, पर मैं रात के ही के ड्रामा देख रही थी विच वॉज सो गुड. Hey you all, good morning. It's the next day. I know कल मैंने vlog नहीं किया क्योंकि I told you कि मेरा नी क्रैम्प हो रहा है. Basically मेरे नी पे बहुत दर्द हो रहा था and it was so bad कि मेरे को पता था कि I won't be able to do any work. So I decided to listen to my body as we should. And मैंने कल कुछ भी फिल्म नहीं किया, ना मैंने vlog किया, ना मैंने अपनी जो मैंने प्लान किया था कि मुझे रील शूट करनी है वो भी मैंने नहीं की. I did feel guilty about it but मैं आज वो कंप्लीट कर लूँगी. So I have like showered, मैंने breakfast कर लिया पर मेरे को अभी फिर से बाहर जाना है काम करने के लिए. So I'll quickly change to my skincare and उसके बाद I'll give you a mini Zudio haul as promised. So see you in the haul or maybe I'll take you along with me to get some work done. Okay, so I'm finally upstairs and now we will do this Zudio haul जो कि मैं कब से बोल रही हूँ कि दिखाऊंगी but finally it's here and so let's start. मैं परसों Zudio गई थी and honestly Zudio is doing so much better than the last time I visited it. So yeah, let's do this. बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है everything. Like I got the first thing is like this top जो कि 299 का है and it's so cute. Like look at this. I like it because it's very Pinteresty. Plus I love the sleeves. It's very different. It's not your normal short sleeve. It's like थोड़ा उसके ऊपर and it's perfect for a casual cute fit. So I love this a lot. Honestly, quality के हिसाब से the price is like it is very fairly priced. So you should definitely go to Zudio and get this one. And the next thing that I got like 2-3 चीज़ें ही हैं मेरे पास, but it's a mini haul. So yeah, mini for a reason. Then I saw this tank tops किसी के रील पे कि Zudio is having this inbuilt bra tank top and जब मैं गई तो वहाँ पे था. The thing is कि it's selling out really fast. वहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 pieces बाकी थे and then they had that striped pattern वाला जो कि also had a bra. Like you can see there is some padding over here, which is perfect because you don't have to wear a bra with this one because it is already padded and it's so perfect and appropriate for summer. I love the pink color. So the next thing, ये मेरा नहीं है, it's my sister's, but the thing is कि she said कि we can share it. तो मैं उसकी बाकी चीज़ें नहीं दिखाऊंगी, पर she got this really cute tee. I love t-shirts like this. I love baby tees. This was for 300 also. I mean, look at this. It's like, it's very Pinteresty, you will see this kind of tops a lot in Pinterest. And again, the quality is, according to the price, it's very nice. So you can wear it daily or casually. Okay. And now, moving on to the jewelry. You must have seen those Pinteresty hair ties which was all around Pinterest. Like मेरे Pinterest में मैंने देखा है. Every it girl was having those hair accessories like this one. Like, look at it. And imagine the price. Only for ₹99 I got 2 of these and मैंने बहुत सारी sites में देखा, it was for 400 for a single hair tie and it was not making sense. But then I also saw this site Unbox Kar जहाँ से मैंने एक order किया है which I'm gonna get like 2-3 दिनों में, पर वहाँ पे भी एक 69 रुपीज़ का था and everything was selling really fast and even in Zudio बहुत जल्दी सब खत्म हो रहा था and वहाँ पे एक्सेसरीज इतनी अच्छी एक्सेसरीज थी. I'm so sorry for fumbling, but the thing is कि I'm pretty sure कि वहाँ पे बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा and I'm not really sure कि these are anti-tarnish or not. But for 99 rupees, this is a steal deal and there were so many cute necklaces and even back charms. Last thing that I got from Zudio is this silver bracelet. It's chunky and it's like a perfect addition to my jewelry collection that I am trying to build. And I think ये 99 rupees का था, which I think is very fairly priced. So from this haul, I would suggest you कि आप अपने nearest Zudio में जाएं and shopping kare, cause trust me, they have got some good stuff with good prices. And yeah, this is it for the haul and this is it for the vlog. So stay tuned till I post some more fun vlogs and fun content. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.